Hey guys, Chris.Donley with Guaranty RV Centers here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm going to be showing you another pre-auction special. This one is fantastic. It's a 2008 Itasca Ellipse 40-footer. Let's go inside. Coming into the Ellipse here, you're going to see Winnebago's quality immediately. From the wood cabinets to the upholstery, most of their stuff is made in-house and it shows. This is a very generous floor plan with opposing slides here in the family room with 2 chairs across from a couch that does make into a bed. Moving along to the galley area here, lots of counter space, a convection microwave, and table and chairs, freestanding. Nice double door fridge with ice maker, and then you've got a split hallway here, which was a very popular floor plan. It makes it nice to have some privacy in whatever you're doing. Lots of cabinets throughout. Coming into the bathroom here, you got a raised sink across from a nice spacious shower, and everything's easy to move around in. Nothing feels cramped in this floor plan. In the bedroom here, you have even more room to walk around it. Nice big closet in the back, and of course a space for a washer dryer. Now this Ellipse does have a 400 horse motor in it. Plenty of power to get up hills or do any kind of towing that you might need. And of course, on the Maxim chassis from Winnebago, you're going to have plenty of storage underneath. Guys, thank you so much for joining me on this quick tour of the 08 Ellipse. This is a beautiful coach. There's so much more to show you. Come down and drive it.